Hello everyone, and I get this already. This is our pencil sharpener project. You may be wondering what happened to the actual pencil sharpener itself, which the parts were supposed to be glued on right here. Well, it got stolen, to be honest. But we did manage to get all of the part drawings and dimensions done before it was stolen. So here we have the screw. Pretty easy to do in Inventor. Use the coil to get it to go around like that. Use the reverse extrusion to get that hole inward. Dimension chart of it right there. And dimension drawing right there. The blades for actually sharpening the pencil are right here. This is the Inventor model of it. This is the Inventor drawing. And the dimensions for it were right there, as well as functionality, which screw just holds the blade in place.
This is the top. It's where you sharpen the pencils at. We have the dimension chart. It's showing what the dimensions are, the function, and it shows what it's made of and how it feels and everything. And down here is where the dimensions are that we had to do in Inventor, and we had to make the actual part on Inventor too. Down here is the shavings holder, is where all the shavings from your pencil go, and its function is to hold the shavings. Down here is where we made the part in Inventor. This is the dimensions, and it shows how there was like many different layers. Shows all the finish and the texture, and like it was made out of plastic. And over here we have how all the parts went together in an assembly. We had the screw going into the blade, we had the blades going into the top, and then we had the top going into the holder, and then we showed how all that went together over here in the exploded view,
Which we had to put a little bit of something extra on due to the fact that we did finish this pretty early, and it was actually really simple to do. Only some minor troubles with the screw, getting it to constrain right, and the top part, getting the holes to offset in the correct way.
A little bit more about this was, it took a while to get the assembly to actually go together right. It took us actually about 5 tries to get it to go all together correctly and everything. And it was kind of hard to make it. It was harder than we thought whenever we chose to do the pencil sharpener.
We chose to do a pencil sharpener really just because we needed something, and I was in my book bag. Just used it. And the improvements, I guess, if any, that we would make to this is maybe make the plastic a little bit harder so it wouldn't get broken.
And we're done.